Hello and welcome, Python enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a unique and powerful feature of Python, Lambda functions. Lambda, in the world of Python, is a small anonymous function that can take any number of arguments, but can only express a single expression. Interesting, isn't it? Now, you may be accustomed to regular functions which are defined using the def keyword. However, Lambda functions break the norm and are defined using the Lambda keyword. This quirky naming is what gives these functions their distinctive identity. Lambda functions are like the superheroes of the coding world. They swoop in, perform a task, and vanish, all in a single line of code. The beauty of these functions lies in their simplicity and efficiency. They don't need formal introductions or lengthy definitions. They're here for a quick job, and they do it well. So, in essence, a Lambda function in Python allows for quick, on-the-fly programming that can make your code neat and efficient. Now that we have an understanding of what Lambda in Python is, let's move on to its syntax. The syntax of a Lambda function in Python is quite simple. We begin with the keyword Lambda, followed by one or more arguments, a colon, and lastly an expression. The expression is what the function is going to return. Let's consider an example for better understanding. Suppose we have a Lambda function, x lambda a plus 10. Here, a is the argument and a plus 10 is the expression. Now, if we want to use this function, we simply need to call it like any other function. For instance, print x 5. When we run this, it will add 10 to the argument, which is 5 in this case, and return the result. So the output here would be 15. As you can see, the syntax of Lambda functions in Python is quite straightforward and easy to comprehend. It's time to explore the different applications of Lambda functions in Python. One of the most common applications of Lambda functions is in combination with Python's map and filter functions. Let's take a look at how Lambda can be used with these functions to write cleaner and more efficient code. Consider a scenario where you need to double all numbers in a list. A traditional approach might involve defining a function and then iterating over the list. But with Lambda, you can simplify this process. Here's how. You can use the map function and pass in a Lambda function that doubles the number. The Lambda function is applied to every element in the list, and the result is a new list with all the numbers doubled. Now, let's move on to filtering elements from a list. Say you have a list of numbers and you want to filter out all the even numbers. You can use the filter function with a Lambda function that checks if a number is even. The filter function applies the Lambda function to every element in the list and returns a new list with only the elements that meet the condition. The beauty of these examples lies in their simplicity and conciseness. By using Lambda functions with map and filter, you significantly reduce the amount of code you have to write, making it easier to read and understand. These examples show how Lambda functions can be used to write concise and efficient Python code. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about Lambda in Python. Lambda is a petite anonymous function that accepts any quantity of arguments but just one expression. This function is crafted using the Lambda keyword. It shines when used with Python's map and filter functions, allowing for more streamlined code. To sum it up, Lambda is a powerful tool within Python's toolbox. It provides us with a means to write clean, efficient code. Lambda functions are a powerful tool in Python, offering a way to write clean and efficient code. Keep exploring and happy coding.